Introducing the most advanced and ultimate smart bike helmet, built completely from scratch with cutting-edge features to make your ride smarter, safer, and cooler than ever. There's a GoPro mount for capturing your journey. Say goodbye to rain trouble. This helmet comes with an automatic rain-sensing wiper that increases or decreases speed based on rainfall. No more stopping, no more wiping manually.
Mounted at 90 degrees, two high-speed vacuum fans suck in air from the sides, block rain entry, and blast fresh air through hidden tunnels for unstoppable ventilation in any weather.
Got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay.
And some serious style with custom designs and LED setup options.
The pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.
And when the summer heat strikes, stay cool with 4 high-speed cooling blower fans, carefully mounted to push air through the helmet. The fan speed is adjustable using a stylish front-mounted regulator, giving you complete control. Casual, plus
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
need to answer a call on the go? With the built-in Bluetooth system, you can receive calls, talk hands-free, and even listen to your favorite music, all without removing your helmet.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
The wiper rotates slowly. Wiper rotates slowly.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If
I
you wanna
put
play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
the
up
water
and make a statement. I don't ever slow
over the rain
up,
sensor.
no I don't take shit.
This is the example of heavy rain.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
Watch
always show
carefully.
up and make a statement.
The wiper speed increase. Now you can see the wiper speed increase. This is the example of heavy rain. You can see I pour the water over the rain sensor and the speed increase. Now again it's back to slow mode. The wiper speed getting slow because there is no water. There is not heavy rain. Thank you. First we press this button. This is the Bluetooth turned on button. Using this button, the Bluetooth system can be turned on and turned off, and also play, pause, and by pressing the single times this switch, the call can be attended. First we press this button. You can hear there is a sound power on and connected. Now the Bluetooth system of this smart helmet is connected with my phone. As you can see, the Bluetooth system connected with my phone. As you can see, the Bluetooth system connected with my phone, and the name of my helmet Bluetooth system is the Foxbeat 150. Now I am making phone call from my phone. As you can see, we are calling a number from my mobile, and my mobile is connected with my helmet Bluetooth. There is the Bluetooth name Foxbeat 150. Call is not connected. As the call is connected, voice reception কেমন আছে? Call is clear. Voice getting clear. This is a test call. Actually, I am calling from my helmet Bluetooth, which is recently installed and modify the helmet. And this is the test call. Thank you. Sound is clear. Thank you. As you can see, my helmet Bluetooth currently connected with my phone. This is the name of my helmet Bluetooth Foxbeat 150, and now I am playing a song from the YouTube. As you can see, the no copyright song is currently playing. NCS song is currently playing on my phone, and the Bluetooth is connected with my helmet Bluetooth, which is the Foxbeat 150. Now you can listen the sound. I think sound is very clear. I can clearly hear the sound. And the music is playing right now. You can see the fan is rotating. Here the fan is rotating. On the back side, this side fan also rotating. Now we increase the fan speed by rotating the regulator. As you can see, the fan is rotating very fast. Fan is spinning very fast, and you can hear the noise. Here is the regulator. We can control the fan speed by rotating this knob. As you can see, I am rotating the knob for controlling the speed, fan speed. And again, for rotating this side, right side, we can increase the fan speed. This is full. This is the full speed of the blower fan. Both side blower fan is running. There is a 4 cooling blower fan, 2 in the back side and 2 is the upside. These 2 also blower fan. This is the upside blower fan. This is actually called angle blower fan. The no raindrop goes inside the helmet, but the air flows inside the helmet through this angle blower fan. And we can control and turn off the fan using this regulator. Thank you. This is the power input cable. Camera, action camera. Here is the resolution written clearly, HD 1080p, and this is the GoPro mount. As you can see, nut bolt mount, and this is the 3D printed camera holder. Helmet has pilot light for night riding. This pilot light increases the safety of the rider when in the night time when the rider ride with this helmet. So this is the another features I have added. Here is the 2 button on each light, which by pressing those buttons you can change the color and the flashing style, flashing pattern, or the direction of the light. Like for this, if I press the button once, there is a very little button. See, the color and the pattern was changing. See, the color and the pattern was changing.
Engineered for comfort, safety, and style, this isn't just a helmet. It's a revolution for every biker. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing innovations and smart DIY creations. Let's build the future together.